Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer NOTCOIN from Tonkeeper to your OKX wallet step by step. Make sure to watch it till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's jump right in. First, open the OKX app on your mobile device. Go to the crypto section or simply search for NOTCOIN in the search bar. Once you find it, tap on it and copy it to your NOTCOIN wallet address. Next, open your Tonkeeper app. Now select NOTCOIN for your list of assets. If NOTCOIN is not showing in your wallet, don't worry, just follow along. Tap the send button. In the recipient field, paste the wallet address you copied from OKX. After that, tap continue. Now enter the amount NOTCOIN you want to transfer. For example, you can type 5 NOTCOIN or any amount you prefer. Then tap continue again. Review all your transaction details carefully. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction and enter your passcode when prompted. And that's it. You have successfully transferred NOTCOIN from Tonkeeper to your OKX wallet. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.